How to get the best carparts.com discount promo codes. Car repairs can be expensive, but what if you could save up to 30% on parts? Here's how you can get the best carparts.com promo codes. So the most reliable codes come from the trusted coupon sites like couponfollow.com. So on websites such as couponfollow.com, you'd be able to find all of the updated coupons that you can use for carparts.com. So you'd be able to find the offer name and how many percent you can get less for this specific offer. You can also get the coupon code by clicking on the show coupon code, and then you'd be able to check the expiration of each of these codes as well. So this makes it easier for you to know which coupons are expired and which are currently available for you. So you'd be able to find the expired coupons at the bottom of the page grayed out, which means that these coupons have expired and you cannot use it for your next purchases. So other websites are Hot Deals, Simply Codes, and Good Shop. The sites list verified discounts updated daily. So right now, you can get 30% off select items, 20% off store-wide with free shipping, and 10% off orders over $100. Stack free shipping with percentage discounts, sign up for newsletters for exclusive codes, and always test multiple codes at checkout. Most codes require a minimum spend of $100, and some apply only to specific categories, so always check the fine print before buying. So, is carparts.com worth it? Absolutely. If you use the right promo code, save money, get quality parts, and keep your car running smoothly.